Hi there, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods using which you can install Google Chrome via command line on Ubuntu. For this demo, I'm using Ubuntu 22, but you can also follow the same steps and commands on other Ubuntu versions, whether you are using Ubuntu 20, 18, 16, or any other. Here are the steps that I'm going to follow in the method 1. First, we'll update the system. The second step would be to download the Debian package. In the third step, we will install the Debian package, and fourth and final step will be to verify the installation. Let's head to the terminal screen to follow these steps one by one. So in the first step, you need to install all the latest available updates from default Ubuntu repository by using this apt-update and apt-upgrade command. Let's also run apt-upgrade. Sometimes this command will throw a dependencies issue, which can be resolved by running this command. So in my case, it is completed successfully. Okay. But if you see any issues, then you can run this command. And after running this command, you will need to rerun these steps. Okay. Second step is to download the Debian package. To download the Debian package, you can either run the wget command. Let's use the wget command here. Okay, so it has been downloaded successfully. We can also download it using curl command. Then in this case, you will need to pass in the file name as well. Since it's a Debian package, so I have named it chrome.deb. Okay, so let me run this. ls-l. So here you can see both of them have same size, but this one is downloaded using curl and this one is downloaded using wget. Now let's proceed with the installation. To install this Debian package, I'm going to pass in the file name that I have downloaded. Okay, so Chrome is being installed. It completed successfully. So let's follow the fourth and final step to verify if we have successfully installed it. dpkg-l will list all the packages that are installed in my system. So I will grep for Chrome. Let's grep for Chrome. It is installed successfully. So if you see II, that means it's successfully installed. Now let's follow the second method to install Chrome. In the second method, first we will download and add the GPG key. The second step would be to add the Chrome repository to the sources list. The third step would be to update the system package cache. The fourth step would be to download and install Chrome package from newly added repository. And final step will be to verify the installation. Let's head to the terminal and follow these steps one by one. Okay, the first step is to download and add the GPG key in the local system keyring. And for that, we can use this command. I will paste all these commands in the description section so you can copy them from there. It is added successfully, as we can see the status. Okay. The next step is to add the Chrome stable repository to the sources list. Let's verify if it is added successfully. Let me get the contents of this file. Okay, it is added successfully. So whenever you add anything to the sources list, you must update the system. So let's update the system first. Don't worry about this warning. That's fine. We can proceed with the installation. The next step is to simply install Google Chrome using apt-get command. apt-get install Google Chrome dash stable. Let's run this. Okay, so it's being downloaded and now it will be installed. And once it's installed, we will verify if it is installed successfully. Let's verify the installation. Let me grab for Chrome. Okay, so it is installed successfully. I hope you are able to install it on your system. If you face any issues, just let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.